Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Hot Wheelers. I'm excited to bring you the Playroom. So this is the room where I like to hang out and enjoy my collection of cars and automotive paraphernalia from around the world. So maybe what we'll do a quick tour, kind of a walk through the room just to see some of the things that I collect and have on display. This is just a small part of what I have, but here you'll see in the case some 124 and some 118 scale and some 164 scale cars. Up at the top of the display, sitting on top, got a 118 scale Ayrton Senna F1 car, a McLaren Honda that I built from a model kit, hand painted. Had to scout for the decals because they don't come in the box, they just come with some generic lines. And then here, not quite finished, but you've got F1 car, the Honda, or sorry, this is a Ferrari. And like I say, not quite finished, the decals still have to go on this. And here another one, a Porsche, again. You can see the decal, this one's getting old and decals are starting to flake off of it, but that's one I built from a model kit as well. And in the back you've got a 458 Italia, it's a 118 scale Hot Wheels car. Down below in the next cabinet here you've got some M2 cars as well as some Hot Wheel cars and some Maisto cars and some Motor Trend 50th anniversary American Motor, or American, yeah, I think it was called American Motor, maybe it was American Muscle, but so those cars are in here. You've got a Sunoco 94, Ultra 94 NASCAR signed by Ron Fellows. This is a unique one, the Papyrus Torino here. That one actually came in the, boy, that was an old DOS game from old DOS NASCAR for the computer game. So that one's probably pretty rare. I'm not sure there's that many of those around. Down here you've got again a couple of Thunderbolt Ford Galaxies that I built from model kits, and a GSX in the back. That's a 118 scale die-cast mounted on a plastic base. Down here we've got some BMWs. So the 164 scale Beamers that are in the package I got at this year's auto show in Toronto. And down at the bottom got some Porsche. Particularly fond of this G-Force Strandell 118 scale Porsche. It's quite sharp. And then down at the bottom of this cabinet we've got some Mercedes. So again we've got some 118 die-cast scale models, and in front there are just some of the mainline Mercedes models that came out this year and last year. And then here we've got 118 scale die-cast Roadrunner, a 164 scale Red Lines Dodge Dart, and I built the Corvette and the SS Chevelle from a model kit. And then you've got a Racing Champions Oldsmobile in the front here. And then take a quick run around the room, close this door. Down on the floor got a mess. Just trying to clean up some of the cars, get them put back in boxes. These are a box of premiums, so it'll be all car culture and some real riders, and I've got some Speed Racer and some Speed Machine and some stock rods from Racing Champions. And then in the back you can see I'm in the middle of a project building a display case for the 164ths. So it's got to be assembled and painted and hung up on the wall. Here There's some things that we've already looked at. Here we got some art. We'll come back to that. Take a look at this one first. So that's a Mille Miglia numbered print. I actually ordered that from Porsche, the magazine. So that's 156 of 500. There's some guy named Chip Foose on the wall there. Met him at the auto show a few years ago. Managed to get a picture with him and my wife. And here you've got a Molson Indy print. Again, signed. It's Albert Cason, and that is number 35 of 800. Ayrton Senna and the Silk Cut Jaguars. And then down here, got the racing seat. Do quite a bit of racing. And then there's the TV, of course. So there it is, quick little walk around. Hope you've enjoyed what I've got to share. And please hit the like button and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. And we look forward to bringing you more videos. Bye for now.